Previously, what we discussed, like the position of object for particularly concave mirror, I think. Position of objects, position of image, and trying to write the magnification. Okay. So there, if the object distance is f, first we took I think infinity. Then image distance is f, what we told, and you said that is completely diminished. Okay, and here when the object distance lies in between, sorry, greater than 2f, you told that v lies in between f and 2f. Okay, here what about the magnification, and here whether it is enlarged or diminished, how to say? Okay, for that, Nana, if u is greater than 2f, take some value. Suppose u is equals to greater than 2f means some 3f if I take. Okay. You are saying that the image distance according to the formula 1 by v plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. Already I told for concave mirror the focal length is negative. Okay. Object generally we take in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror means from the phone. Okay. The light rays incident towards right, we measure in opposite direction. So u is negative generally. Okay. Then in this case, Nana, what will be the distance of image if you want to calculate 1 by v plus and minus, that is minus 1 by u is 3f is equals to 1 by f. So here 1 by v is equals to what we are getting? 1 by 3f minus 1 by f. That I think you will get minus 2 by 3f now. That is 3f by 2. What the image distance v is equals to. Means v is equals to, you are getting minus 1.5 f or minus 3 by 2. Okay. So if object distance with the sign conventions, if it is minus 3f, you are getting v is also negative minus 3 by 2f. Okay. That's what you told already, sir. It lies in between f and 2f. Sorry, yes, 1.5 is lying in between f and 2f. Correct. But if you see here, v is 1.5 f means less than u, Nana. U is 3f. Less than u means, here what can you say? Whether it is diminished or enlarged. To say there, Nana, we see the magnification. That magnification already you told the formula is equals to v by u. Okay, of course, minus v by u. And here u is infinity. That's why you told this is approximately equals to 0. That's why here the magnification is approximately equals to 0 depending upon the value of u. Okay, that's why you told here diminished. Whereas in this case, if you see v is less than u means magnification, you will get minus v by u. V is less than u means you will get this value less than 1. That's why magnification is less than 1. And you got the negative sign. Negative sign in magnification, and keep in mind, it represents whether the image is inverted or erected. Okay. So if you see here, if you take u is equals to 2f, that day you told v is also 2f. This time you are saying v by u becomes equals to 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is of same size. Same size of object. Okay. and fourth one lies in between f and 2f. This time you told v is greater than 2f. V is greater than 2f means v is greater than u. If v is numerator is greater than the denominator, then magnification will be greater than 1. So in this case, the image is enlarged. And if u is equals to u is greater than 2f, sorry, u equals to f, then v equals to infinity. This time the magnification tends to infinity. Magnification is much more means it is also enlarged. Okay. Till here you have to understand one point. I think you know it. Till now, whatever you got here, in all cases, the magnification is negative. Magnification negative means in all cases, till here, whatever you found, in these cases, the image is inverted provided the object is erect. For the object taken erect. Okay. So if the object is erect, image is inverted in these cases, in all these cases. Okay. And that day we got some doubt. If u is less than f, then what happens?
It will form in beyond mirror, sir. What's the limit?
Means. Very good. Very good. So in all these cases, you are saying that the object taken is erect when the image is inverted, and you are saying that image is real.
Yes, sir.
Whereas in this case, you are saying that image is virtual. Why? Because you are saying image is formed on the other side. Okay, image is virtual. And if you see there now, what will be the value of VD? That if you check, if you take some value like u is equals to 0.8 f, less than f. According to the formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Concave mirror focal length is negative. In generally, we take object in front of the mirror, means for real object, u is always negative. Okay. So if you substitute the values, 1 by v equals to minus 1 by f plus 1 by u is 0.8 f. Better we take fraction. 0.8 is nothing but 8 by 10. That is 4 by 5. So 0.8 is in fraction 4 by 5 f. 4 by 5 f means this is 4f by 5. So you are getting here 4f is LCM. This is minus 4 and this is plus 5. That is I am getting 1 by 4f plus 1 by 4f here. Okay. And v is equals to I am getting plus 4f. So if you see here, the value of distance of image, it is greater than the value what you are taking there. Okay. So this is 4f by 5, whereas it is 4f. So v is greater than u, surely. Okay. And the magnification, if you see, m is equals to minus v by u. Okay. Minus v, I got here positive plus uv by u. U is always negative for real object. So minus u if you take. Magnification, you are getting what? Minus of minus plus v by u. Plus v by u means I am getting magnification this time positive. Positive means the image is virtual. Negative means of course, the image is erect. Okay. Negative means the image is inverted here. Okay. So positive and here V is greater than U. That's why magnification is greater than. Okay. Okay. Where from V and U graph, generally if you draw with by taking the sign conventions, V negative and U negative, you will get one rectangular hyperbola. From this graph, what they ask, generally without considering the sign conventions, if you draw the graph, means I am not considering U negative, V negative. Okay, I am not considering the sign conventions. Then V is positive and U is positive. Positive means you will get a graph in the first quadrant. So in exam, they will give the graph like this. Okay, rectangular hyperbola, sure. Okay, here also rectangular hyperbola. But here he did not consider the sign conventions. There what they ask, if I draw a line here, making an angle 45 degrees with x-axis, then it meets the rectangular hyperbola at what coordinate? What are the coordinates of that point?
2f comma 2f.
That's it, over. X comma y is equals straight away. From there, we can understand that they meet at 2f comma 2f. Whereas in this case, you already use sign conventions. That's why in third quadrant, what are the coordinates in third quadrant?
Minus 2f, minus 2f.
These are the coordinates. That is with the sign conventions. This is without sign conventions. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And here, suppose if you come to, you have drawn there from here to there only now. Even here or there. Okay? Means you started the graph from U is equals to infinity and end at U is equals to F. What about the remaining part? If U is less than F. Okay? U is less than F means here this is what V is equals to F, U equals to infinity. Okay? This is the point where we are seeing U equals to F, V equals to infinity. Okay? If U is less than F, this part, if you see, what type of graph generally you get there? Okay? For that, what he says, if U is less than F, V may be greater than F, okay? But it is always greater than the value of U. Okay? That's why, suppose previous example, what I said, some 0.8 F. Suppose if I select one point here, I got the value as 4F here. Okay? So if you decrease the value of U, V value also will decrease, 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 and finally that becomes 0. Okay? So you will get a graph almost like a parabola here like this. Okay? You can check. If U is equals to, already we checked 0.8F, V is equals to, I got 4F now. Suppose if you take U is equals to 0.5F, means 1 by 2, F by 2. Then if you check there 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. U, I am substituting here F by 2. Okay. And here applying the sign conventions, focal length is negative, U is negative. Are you following these sign conventions, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this minus 2 by F I am taking to the other hand, plus 2 by F minus 1 by F. I am getting 1 by F, Nana. So V equals to, I got F. So see here, if U is equals to 0.F, V equals to 4F. If U is equals to 0.5F, then V equals to, I got F. Means you observe here, okay, U value is decreased, then V value is also decreased from 4F to F. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's what I told here. If U is decreased, V is also decreased. And finally, if U is equals to 0, V is also equals to 0. Okay. This is the graph here, Nana. Okay, and if you want there also you can draw. U equals to F means in this part we have to draw. Same like this. You can draw from origin. You can draw in third part like a parallel. Okay. With the sign conventions, if I check 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. Sign conventions, focal length negative, U is also negative. So 1 by V taken on Y axis, Y equals to, okay, minus 1 by U taken to the other hand, plus 1 by U. 1 by U is X plus, here I am getting minus 1 by F. I think this is appeared like Y is equals to like X minus C.
MX plus C. Yes, sir.
Mx plus C or minus C?
MX minus C, sir.
Mx minus C means I think it is a straight line. I think with the negative y-intercept means intersecting the x-axis.
Yes, sir.
So intersecting the x-axis, you will get a straight line like this. With the negative y-intercept here. So negative y-intercept. Okay, and this y-intercept value, you know, y-intercept is 1 by f. This is negative and it is 1 by f. And if you see here, what is the slope, Nana? M value, slope.
1, sir.
1 means theta is, I think, 45.
Yes, sir.
So it's straight line making an angle 45 degrees with x-axis. Okay, this is with the sign conventions, Nana. Okay, and that too, what without sign conventions, if they ask in exam, without sign conventions means we should not substitute any negative here. Then directly I will get 1 by V equals to
Minus MX plus C.
Minus mx plus c means
Slope, sir.
right. Means it is intersecting both x and y axis with a negative slope. So without sign conventions, you will get a graph like this. Am I right, Nana?
Yes, sir.
As usual, here also slope is minus 1. Minus 1 means this is 135 and this is 45. Okay, and the x and y intercepts are equal since the angle is 45. That intercept is 1 by f. So this intercept is 1 by f. That intercept is also 1 by f. Right. This is the story about concave mirror, Nana. So if I come to convex mirror, then what happens? Okay, convex mirror. Okay. In case of convex mirror, first, what he says, without drawing the table, what he is saying, 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F is the mirror form. For convex mirror, excuse me, convex mirror means you have to take the mirror like this. Okay. So if you complete it as a sphere, Nana, here I think the center will come behind the mirror.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means the focus is exactly half of this part. Okay, this is the focus. On the mirror, generally light rays will incident from left. Okay. And if you measure the focal length from the pole, you are measuring in the same direction of light rays or opposite direction?
Same direction, sir. Positive.
That's why here for convex mirror the focal length is positive. So will you remember?
Yes, sir.
Concave negative, convex positive.
Positive.
And from this what he is saying, if you apply the sign conventions, 1 by v plus 1 by u, you have to take in front of the mirror and you have to measure the object distance in opposite direction to the incident rays. So u is always negative, minus v equals to 1 by f is positive. So you are getting 1 by v is equals to 1 by f plus 1 by u. So look at here, after applying the sign conventions, this is positive, that is also positive. By adding two positive values, obviously you will get 1 by v is positive.
Yes, sir.
So v is always positive. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
V is positive means always I have to measure the v behind the mirror. Behind the mirror means always there is no second thought. It forms virtual image only. There is no real image. Okay. Whatever the distance of object. Okay. When the object distance changes from infinity to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Inside like this. Infinity to 0. Okay. Then always forms virtual image and v is always positive. Then in that case they may ask Nana, what will be the maximum value of v, image distance? What is the maximum distance of image? Okay. V is maximum means here also u should be maximum now. Why? Because both are in the denominator.
Yes, sir.
So u maximum value is infinity. So if u is equals to infinity, I will get 1 by v equals to just 1 by f.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, v is equals to, can I write f?
Yes, sir.
This is the maximum distance of image. Okay, that means for any value of u less than infinity, okay, u less than infinity, for any value, what he is saying, v is always less than f.
Yes.
Why? Because maximum equals to f. Is the maximum value means other values are less than f. Okay, Nana? That's why if you see here the magnification, m is equals to our formula minus v by 2. V is always positive and u is negative.
Negative will get, sir.
No, Nana. M is equals to minus, V is positive, U is negative.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then M is equals to, I am getting some positive value. Okay. So magnification of convex mirror while solving the numericals, there is no second term. Yeah, if you see the magnification maximum value, I say equals to 1. Sorry, not equals to 1. Maximum value here we can't say Nana, but I can say one thing here. M is, which is equals to, after applying the sign conventions, V by U. Okay. maximum value of V is F and V is always less than F means this is always less than 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So if you see here,
నుంచి డౌన్లోడ్ కరువు లాగా వస్తుంది కదా సార్.
right, you will get a curve like. So a curve like this from what origin, like this, one curve. Okay, and this is, keep in mind, without sign conventions. Okay, with the sign conventions means it, I think it will come in some other quadrant. U is always negative. Okay, and in this case V is always positive. V is always positive means you will get a graph in the second quadrant. This is with the sign convention. Okay, again it will lie in between F and infinity somewhere from here. Okay, to 0 means you will get a graph like this, a curve, like a parabola. Right. So if they ask with the sign convention, second quadrant, without sign conventions, always in first quadrant. This 1 by V and 1 by U graph will be 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. Okay. Without sign conventions, nothing to say. That will come always like 1 by V is equals to minus mx plus c model. So you'll get a straight line like this. Okay. But with the sign conventions, if you see, I think you will get 1 by V plus 1 by U is negative and focal length is positive. So I think you will get 1 by V equals to 1 by U plus 1 by F. After taking to the
equal to straight line.
Straight line. Means intersecting positive y-axis or x-axis?
Positive y-axis.
Right. So you will get a straight line again like this. Positive y-axis. Like this. And the y-intercept is 1 by F. Okay, you will get like this now. That is with the sign conventions. This is without sign conventions.
F positive, U positive.
U negative.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
F for U is always negative because of a real object. So object distance, he said it as at 20 centimeters. This is minus 20. Focal length is positive plus 50. Okay, na? I think you understood what I am going to ask. What will be the distance of image?
V minus, sir. Okay, sir.
So here, what will be the image distance? That V is equals to, after substituting the two values, finally we get, I think, plus 60 by 7 centimeters. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And magnification is minus V by U.
Yes, sir.
Minus V is 60 by 7 by U is again negative, minus 20. M is equals to, I think you will get plus 3 by 7.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, magnification, which is height of image by height of object, is equals to minus V by U with the sign convention. Sorry, without sign conventions. Height of image given as 6 by height of object given as 10 equals to minus V, I don't know, U, sign convention negative. So V by U relation I got. So V equals to, I can substitute 3 by 5 times of U. Okay, equation 1. Again, other equation 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Sign convention, u negative, f positive. So 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to focal length. Radius of curvature 60 means focal length. Right.
U20, sir.
You're right, Nana. So by solving these two equations after substituting v value here, then finally you got u is equals to 20, v is equals to 12. Right, good. It's correct on. Indirectly, he is saying that it forms one virtual image at a distance of 30, means at a distance of 10 from concave mirror, pole of concave mirror. Okay. And the concave mirror is also forming one image behind the mirror, means virtual image. Virtual image means u is equals to given as 50 centimeter, pakka less than f.
Yes, sir.
That's why the image is virtual at a distance of v is equals to 10 centimeters from the mirror.
Yes, sir.
Then what will be the radius of curvature? Means what will be the focal length first, then radius of curvature. Okay, Nana?
Yes,
But
sir.
take care, take the sign conventions properly. 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. This is concave mirror, so focal length is
Minus.
u is always minus. Okay, and v this time I know on the other side, so pakka it is plus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here if you see there, I think you can find out the answer, Nana. 1 by this is plus 10 minus 1 by u is 50 is equals to minus 1 by f. So what will be the focal length? You're right. So by substituting all the values here, then the radius of curvature finally you got, which is equals to 2f. That is equals to, of course, without sign conventions, radius of curvature is equals to 25 centimeters. Very good. So understood, Nana? Coinciding two images concept.
Yes, sir.
Mirror, I am giving the radius of curvature. R equals to, here take some 40 centimeters, Nana. And the nearest distance of the object, okay, first position, second position. Nearest distance is at a distance of 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters means I think here the focal length is r by 2, that is 20 centimeters. So nearest distance is greater than 29. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is greater than 20 means the real image will be formed.
Beyond C. Beyond F.
Somewhere beyond. Okay. So here beyond 2f. So here the question is, what is the length of image? Length of object is 10 centimeters. Then length of image will be how much? So length of image means the distances of first position, second position. If you subtract, you will get the length of image. So distance of first position means image distance. I am going to calculate according to the formula here. U is greater than F. So here sign conventions I apply. 1 by V1 first position plus 1 by U minus 30 equals to minus 1 by 20. Equals to minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. So this is I think minus 1 by 60. So V1 equals to minus 60 centimeters. Okay. So first the image of first position will be formed at a distance of 60 centimeters, somewhere here. Position of image. Now second position, where it forms the image. That distance of image, again using the formula 1 by plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f, negative, negative. Second position object distance is 40 centimeters. So 1 by v2 minus 1 by 40 equals to minus 1 by 20. So this is double of focal length. So v2 will be minus 40. Minus 40. 30 means exactly here only. Second position of image.
20, yes, sir.
Obviously, this is the length of image map. Okay. So length of image is equals to 60 minus 40. That is equals to 20 centimeters. Exactly.